Cream of Whatchamakin soup mix is nice to have around. I realized this morning I don't have any non-fat dry milk to show you. It takes 2 cups. And I put it in an airtight container. So it's handy when I want soup. 2 cups non-fat dry milk. 3/4 cup cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. 3/4 teaspoon of parsley. 1/2 teaspoon thyme. 1/2 teaspoon basil. And 1 teaspoon onion powder. Now the good thing about this is when you make your soup, if your taste buds tell you, this is pretty good, but I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder or more parsley or whatever it is, you can change their own recipe and make it just perfect for you. Canned creamed soups kind of hover between 1,300 and 1,500 milligrams per cup. 1/3 cup of our mix has 83 milligrams of sodium. We mix that with 1 1/4 cups of bottled water that has no sodium in it to make our soup. Then we get to add anything we want to. I have served mushroom soup, broccoli. You can make asparagus soup, potato soup, any kind of cream soup that you like. Just look up the ingredients that you're going to add to it and tally that up so you know what you've got per cup. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium tip or a low sodium recipe, sometimes both. If you want to be notified when I put one out there, click on the little bell. You'll get a little ding that says, okay, Judy just posted another one, better go see what she says. If your sodium allowance for the day will allow it, you can add a little bit of cheese to any of these soups, but you got to count the cheese that you put in there in your sodium for the day. If you're making chicken soup, Herb Ox has 0 sodium chicken bouillon. 1 package of this for a cup of your water will add more flavor to it. The one thing that I've found, for some reason, my cream of Whatchamakin soup does not bake well. I mixed up my soup to make chicken and rice casserole. It tasted great, but the soup kind of separated, did not have the eye appeal that I want. Cream of Whatchamakin soup is a real good addition to a low sodium pantry.